So question 1, we are told that Claire rolls a 6-sided die 16 times, and the scores obtained are shown in this frequency table, and we're told that the mean is 3. We need to find the value of P and Q for part A. So what we can see is the frequency has to be 16, as in total Claire has rolled 16 dice, so the sum of all the frequencies must be 16. So we can write that as simply adding up all of these. So we can say P plus Q plus 4 plus 2 plus 0 plus 3 has to be equal to 16. And so we can say that P plus Q, well, 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 3 is 9. So we need to subtract 9 from the other side. So this will be equal to 7. So P plus Q is 7. And we can also write a similar equation for the mean. As we know that the mean for a frequency table, so we simply need to multiply each of the frequency and the score values, as that's how many 1s, 2s we got, and we need to add them all up and then divide by 16 to find the mean. So the mean will be, well, 1 times P is just P, plus 2Q, plus 12, plus 8, plus 5 times 0, plus 3 times 6, 18, and we divide this whole thing by 16. So we can rearrange this, so we can multiply by 16 and then combine the terms. So we have 48 is equal to P plus 2Q plus 38. So we see that P plus 2Q is equal to 10. And now we have these two equations and we can solve for them. So for example, we could simply subtract the two equations from each other, or we could express one of the variables and substitute in. Like let's say I say that Q is equal to 7 minus P. So we can substitute this Q into here. And so what we'll find is that P plus 2 times 7 is 14, minus 2 times P is minus 2P is equal to 10. So we see that minus P is equal to minus 4. So P is equal to 4. And then we can just plug this back into here to find that Q is equal to 3.